Ace Hardware Philippines. We'd like to thank everyone who attended this Pinoy Preparedness Workshop. We've had it in our Ace Builders North EDSA. We've also had it at our Ace Festival Mall store. And we're culminating it here at Ace Mega Mall. No? We're very happy. Maraming mga kababayan natin ang talagang gustong matuto, gustong maging mas responsable at maging mas prepared na Pinoy.
Ito nga, naubos natin yung big tree. Meron tayong lindol na naranasan, dinaanan tayo ng bagyo, and also, actually si Paolo na nakalagay dito, pero mas matindi si Opong Meron din tayong konting pagsabog ni Taal. I think that's the 3 reasons kung bakit nandito yung karamihan sa inyo ngayon.
Our assortment is as comprehensive as can be because we want to make sure that there's a product fit for a Filipino's need. We even have an emergency kit essentials wrap. Ganon kaming kaseryoso in helping educate, engage, and empower our kababayans to become more responsible, more educated about disaster preparedness.
Right now, ang nandito ay yung tinatawag ko na stay box or stay bag. Kaiba nito sa go bag is, what if hindi ka naman mag-evacuate? But then, yung scenario, sobrang tagal na ng baha, hindi ka makalis ng bahay. This is actually the stuff that you needed to have in your home. So ano yung mga nandito? So sabihin na natin, prolong yung brownout. You have the power bank at least, para sa mga gadgets mo, para sa mga kung anumang equipment na gumagana sa kuryente, meron kang pag-charge dyan. And of course, meron kang water purifier. Maganda to na kahit isalpak mo lang to sa kung anong gripo, kahit yung gripo mo sa labas, pwede to. And again, yung mga pets mo, kailangan mong isipin din siya. You have something for the fire, just in case something happens sa kusina, magkaroon ng aksidente. You have the fire extinguisher na sobrang actually you can even put this to your go bag. Dagdagan mo lang to ng pagkain, tubig, medical kit, other stuff that you have in your go bag, and at least a week, pwede kang masustain sa bahay. So that's the stay box na sinasabi natin.
Siyempre, importante rin, when you get stuck at home, hindi kayo makalabas, and mawalan kayo ng kuryente, we also carry a wide array of generators and power stations to keep you powered during these emergencies.
For me, I learned is about readying just in case a typhoon comes. Like what our guest speaker said, we must be ready at all times.
Next year, we're planning to have it in more stores nationwide because we really want to bring the word sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin, whether nasa norte kayo o nasa Vismi, kasi relevant talaga itong emergency preparedness sa ating lahat. Hindi kami hinto until may paliwanag at may pakita namin sa lahat na ating mga kababayan na disaster preparedness is a responsibility of each and every one of us. So again, on behalf of Ace Hardware, marami pong salamat, and we hope to see you in our future engagements here at Ace. Thank you.